Hello friends, have you, like me, taken the front grille off your car apart so that you can repaint it or customize it, and in the process did you break the clips, making it impossible or difficult to get back together? If you did, then stay tuned, this is for you. What I've done with this is, as I was taking it apart, one of the clip receivers on the main body, which goes here, I managed to break that off, and in the process as well, two of the clips, I managed to break those off the back as well. So now there's no clips going in there on that side, and only one clip going in there. Overall, only one clip holding it together, which means that this side could easily come loose and flap off. So I'm going to show you now a way of fixing it so that you can put it back together and it'll stay together by gluing it without spoiling the nice new finish that you've put on it. Now I'm going to use Gorilla Glue. The beauty of this stuff is that it's a bit like expanding foam. With the addition of water, it expands, and so that I can get precise application, I'm using a small paintbrush, and I've cut down the bristles. Apply a small amount of glue to your brush, and as luck would have it, on this particular grill there are small ribs round the edge of the finished piece that fit into channels moulded into the main housing. So all I'm doing here is applying into that channel. It doesn't take a lot because this glue expands 3 to 4 times its volume with the addition of water. Apply the glue all round, but not onto the visible surfaces. Don't forget to put the cap back on the glue because you don't want to let any dampness in. It'll start it setting in the bottle. Make sure you know which way round this has got to go. Spray some water on. Let's snap the pieces back together. Push the trim piece fully home in the main body, and now just leave it, and what will happen in these joints here all around, the glue will expand and it will cure with the water that's on it. If it does start to come through the visible gap, then pare it off with a sharp knife blade very, very carefully before it has a chance to set. And here is the finished article. Now I've had it in a warm place. I put it in my airing cupboard. That speeds up the process of the glue curing. Now you can see in just a few spots there and there, you can see the glue's expanded in the gap and is just coming out of the sides. On the interface, the visual interface between the blue and the black, there's no foam sticking out at all. So there you have it, folks. One successfully repaired grill, which I've managed to customize as well. I've painted it satin black with a gloss coat finish, and colour matched the surround with my car, which is ice blue. In the meantime, I hope that this video was useful to you. It gave you some ideas what you can do to fix stuff. You know, it isn't always necessary to go out and buy new or even second hand. Sometimes you can fix things quite successfully. So if this was helpful to you, give the video a thumbs up. Any comments you've got, you know, personal experience, any ideas, comments, I'd be very grateful to hear from you. Alright, and I'll see you next time on another video. Cheerio for now.